Hi, my name is Jessie. I work on a farm, and lately it seems like my livestock are just going batshit crazy. Oh! Ever since 2015, 2016, they have just lost their ever-loving minds. They just insist on talking about politics. They won't shut up about it. One has one opinion, the other one has a different one. Poo's flying and hay's flying. We used to be able to sit around the campfire at night and hang out. Now they don't want to do that anymore. Lucy Lou, get over here, girl. I don't like to get involved either. It's like, you two can argue all you want. I just want to get my job done. And I just want to be happy. I just want to drink my beers. Here's Lucy Lou. There she is. Hey, Lucy. Lucy, go ahead and tell everybody what you think about that thing we were talking about the other day. See, she's got a very solid opinion there. I mean, it matters, doesn't it? Well, okay, you'll get your turn, Susie Q. You'll get your turn, Susie Q. Sorry. You know, they both seem to make really, really good points. But I don't know, they just don't get along anymore. They used to be the best of friends, and I don't know what to do about that. Little Miss, she doesn't like participating in these sorts of things. You know, politics isn't her thing. You know, and I totally understand that. Just stay neutral. There she is right over there. She's cute, isn't she? Hi, little Miss. Hi, little Miss. Moo, moo, moo. Come here, Susie Q. I see you hiding. Susie Q. I'll give you your favorite treat. There she comes. And she's got strong opinions as well. Susie Q, go ahead. You tell the people in the camera what you think about. Exactly. All right, you had your turn. Let Susie Q talk. Thank you. I just want to love them, and I just want them to love me. I told you to stop it. No, don't do that. And I just want us all to get along. That's all I want. I don't think that's too much to add. So when I say politics, they lose their ever-loving mind. Oh, their ever-loving mind. No, look, I got a snort now. I'm snorting.